Hey guys, I hope you're hungry today, cause I'm in a feisty mood to draw a chewtle. If you're wondering who chewtle is, he's actually the primal form of Dreadnought, and he's a water and rock type. To draw him, you must always start with the eyes, and okay, so here's his other eye here. Okay, so here's his head. There we go. There's his teeth. There's his horn. Next up, you guys just gotta draw his. Next up, you just gotta draw his cheek. Okay, next up, when drawing him, you gotta draw his nose, then his buck teeth here. Next up, you gotta draw his body here. Next up, you just gotta draw his toe. No more. And here's his shell here. Next up, you just gotta draw his last foot. And that's how you draw a chewtle. If you find this video a bit too easy for you guys, be sure to leave a comment below. Till then, I'll see you later.